Hi everyone, this is Rami here and welcome to a new video in Rami DIY. Today I'm gonna show you my new lawnmower. I recently borrowed this machine from a friend and it did a fantastic job cutting my lawn. I had an 8 months old lawn. It was like 40-50 centimeters long, and this machine cut through it without needing to do a pre-trim or something, just going through it flawlessly. So I decided to give it a try and buy one of this. It's the Flymo Speedi-mo 360c. I'm gonna open it up and show you what's inside. Let's get it. Manual. Manual. Handle. I guess this is the bin assembly. By the way, it has 40-liter bin, which is I think quite large. Apparently the bin comes disassembled and needs to be assembled together, so gonna see how it goes. And we keep this for now. Few things, and finally the machine itself. And here is the machine itself. One of the things I loved about this machine when I borrowed it from my friend, it has a very long cable, so doing the lawn in the garden here was not a problem at all. I cut this lawn about 10 days ago or so, and summertime it grows very fast, so it's time to use the new machine to cut this. So let's put this together and get to work. Alright, here's the machine put together. The assembly was very simple and straightforward. Just connect the top handle with the lower bar with these screws, and this mechanism allows you to fold them. So you lose these screws, fold them. Also this one can be loosened and flip them again, so you have very compact. If you want to put them in a compact space, they should fit perfectly. Just one thing I want to show you is this lever here. Allow you to raise or lower the machine for shorter cut or longer cut, as you wish. It has 5 levels. Like so, to lower it. Yeah. Well, this was the unboxing and assembly of the lawnmower Flymo Speedi-mo 360 360c actually. Yeah, this machine is actually on a very good discount today on the Prime Day, so I highly recommend it. It did a very good job when I borrowed from my friend. He has it for several years now, works perfectly. So check the link in the description if you want to grab it. Today there's a more than 30% discount on Amazon Prime Day. So thanks for watching. Please like the video and consider subscribing for more.